Spring is here, and it's time to bring that fresh, airy, and cozy feeling into your home. If you love clean lines, natural elements, and a calming aesthetic, Scandinavian spring decor might be just what you need. Imagine waking up to a space that feels light, refreshing, and effortlessly stylish. Sounds amazing, right? In this video, we'll walk you through how to transform your space into a Scandinavian spring sanctuary with simple yet stunning design choices. Stick around until the end for some expert tips on creating a home that truly feels like a breath of fresh air. And don't forget to subscribe, like, and drop a comment. We'd love to hear which of these ideas you're excited to try. One of the easiest ways to refresh your home for spring is by updating your color palette. Scandinavian design is known for its soft, neutral tones that make a space feel bright, open, and welcoming. This season, trade in those deep winter shades for something lighter and more refreshing. Think crisp whites, warm beiges, soft pastels, and muted earth tones. These colors reflect natural light beautifully, creating a sense of spaciousness and calm. If you're not ready for a complete makeover, start small. Swap out dark cushion covers for lighter ones, introduce pastel-toned throws, or paint an accent wall in a soft, airy shade. Even the smallest changes in color can make a huge difference in transforming your home's atmosphere. To enhance the effect, maximize natural light as much as possible. Scandinavian homes thrive on openness and brightness, so keep window treatments minimal. Opt for sheer curtains that allow sunlight to filter in gently, or, if privacy allows, go curtain-free to let in as much daylight as possible. Mirrors are another fantastic trick to amplify light. Placing one opposite a window helps reflect natural light throughout the room, instantly making it feel bigger and more luminous. By embracing a light and airy color palette, you set the foundation for a home that feels fresh, elegant, and ready to welcome the beauty of spring. Transforming your home into a serene Scandinavian spring retreat is easier than you think. With just a few thoughtful changes, you can create a space that feels fresh, airy, and effortlessly elegant. In this step-by-step guide, we'll walk you through the essential elements of Scandinavian spring interior decor, from color selection to styling the perfect cozy nook. Whether you're refreshing a single room or revamping your entire home, these simple yet effective steps will help you achieve that signature Scandinavian charm, light, minimal, and full of natural beauty. Start by setting the foundation with a soft, neutral color palette. Think crisp whites, warm beiges, and subtle pastels inspired by spring blossoms. Next, invite nature indoors with organic textures like rattan, linen, and unfinished wood. Decluttering is key in Scandinavian design, so simplify your space by choosing multifunctional furniture that combines aesthetics with practicality. Add subtle spring accents like fresh flowers in handcrafted vases, lightweight cotton throws, and nature-inspired artwork for a seasonal touch. Finally, perfect your lighting with a mix of natural daylight and warm, layered fixtures to create an inviting ambiance. Scandinavian interiors have a deep connection to nature, and spring is the perfect time to bring more organic elements into your home. Wood is a fundamental part of this style, adding warmth and texture to an otherwise minimal space. Light oak, birch and ash are ideal choices for furniture, flooring, and even decorative accents. If you already have wooden elements, highlight their natural beauty by keeping them raw and untreated, or using light stains that enhance the grain. Incorporating other natural textures, like rattan, linen, wool, and woven fibers, can also create a cozy and inviting atmosphere. These materials not only add depth to your decor, but also make your home feel more grounded and harmonious with nature. Another effortless way to bring spring indoors is through greenery. Fresh plants instantly brighten a space and add a sense of vitality. Choose easy care plants like eucalyptus, pothos, or snake plants, which thrive in various conditions and require minimal maintenance. For a more seasonal touch, place fresh flowers in ceramic or glass vases. Tulips, daisies, or baby's breath are perfect for achieving that Scandinavian spring aesthetic. You can also incorporate nature-inspired artwork, wooden bowls, or stone-textured vases to enhance the organic feel. By integrating natural elements, your home becomes a refreshing sanctuary that echoes the simplicity and beauty of Scandinavian living. Spring is all about renewal, making it the perfect time to declutter and create a more open, airy home. Scandinavian design embraces minimalism, but that doesn't mean a cold or empty space. It's about curating a home that feels intentional, functional, and effortlessly cozy. Start by assessing your space and removing items that feel heavy, outdated, or unnecessary. Store away thick winter textiles, heavy decor, and anything that adds visual clutter. Instead, bring in pieces that feel light and breathable. Think woven storage baskets, floating shelves, and multifunctional furniture that helps maintain a clean and uncluttered aesthetic. Once you've decluttered, focus on layering textures to maintain warmth and coziness. Scandinavian minimalism is all about balance, so while the space should feel open, it should never feel sterile. Introduce lightweight throws, soft wool rugs, and textured cushions in soft, neutral tones. Opt for furniture with clean lines but plush seating to keep things comfortable. A simple reading nook with a sleek chair, a linen cushion, and a cozy blanket can instantly make a room feel inviting. The goal is to achieve a visually calming space that still feels like home, one that encourages relaxation while celebrating the simplicity of Scandinavian design. Scandinavian design is all about finding the perfect balance between aesthetics and functionality. Every piece of furniture should not only look beautiful, but also serve a purpose. When selecting furniture for a Scandinavian-inspired spring refresh, opt for pieces with clean lines, soft curves, and a timeless appeal. Light wood finishes, like oak or beech, pair beautifully with neutral upholstery in shades of white, beige, or soft gray. If you're looking for a statement piece, a sleek armchair with linen fabric or a minimalist wooden dining table can instantly elevate your space. The key is to avoid overly ornate or bulky furniture. Scandinavian interiors thrive on simplicity and practicality. Choose items that fit seamlessly into your lifestyle, whether it's a compact coffee table with hidden storage or a bench that doubles as extra seating and a decorative element. To truly embrace the Scandinavian approach, think beyond aesthetics and focus on how each furniture piece enhances the flow of your space. Multifunctional furniture is a great way to maximize usability without cluttering the room. A stylish daybed, for example, can serve as a cozy reading nook during the day and an extra sleeping space when needed. Floating shelves help display curated decor while keeping surfaces uncluttered, and extendable dining tables allow for flexibility when entertaining guests. By selecting furniture with both style and function in mind, you'll create a home that feels effortlessly elegant and perfectly suited to everyday living. Accessories are the finishing touches that bring a space to life, and in Scandinavian spring decor, less is always more. Rather than overwhelming a room with too many decorative elements, focus on a few carefully chosen pieces that enhance the overall aesthetic. Start by swapping out heavy winter textiles for lighter fabrics. Think linen cushion covers, breezy cotton throws, and woven jute rugs. These small changes instantly refresh your space and create a more seasonal feel. Add visual interest with handcrafted ceramics, minimalist vases, and nature-inspired artwork. A simple botanical print or a framed line drawing can introduce character without overpowering the room's airy atmosphere. For an effortless seasonal refresh, bring in elements that reflect the beauty of spring. Fresh flowers in neutral-toned vases, a delicate bowl of citrus fruits on the dining table, or a stack of pastel-colored books on the coffee table can subtly introduce a springtime vibe. Scent also plays an important role in enhancing ambiance. Light candles or use essential oil diffusers with fresh, uplifting scents like lavender, bergamot, or eucalyptus. Remember, Scandinavian design is about creating a space that feels calm and inviting, so choose accessories that complement rather than compete with your overall decor. With just a few thoughtful additions, you can create a home that feels fresh, stylish, and perfectly attuned to the new season. Lighting is a crucial element in Scandinavian interiors, especially in the spring when we want to emphasize brightness and warmth. Maximizing natural light is key, So start by keeping window treatments light and airy. If possible, opt for sheer white curtains that allow sunlight to filter through while maintaining privacy. If your space allows, consider skipping curtains altogether to fully embrace the Scandinavian love for open, sunlit rooms. Mirrors can also work wonders in amplifying natural light. Place a large mirror across from a window to reflect sunlight and make the space feel even more open and airy. In the evenings, layering artificial lighting is essential to maintaining a cozy yet bright atmosphere. Scandinavian design embraces warm, diffused lighting that creates a sense of comfort and relaxation. Incorporate a mix of light sources: pendant lamps with woven or frosted glass shades for overhead lighting, sleek floor lamps for reading nooks, and soft glowing table lamps to create ambiance. Don't forget the power of candles and fairy lights for a subtle, inviting glow. Whether it's a cluster of tea lights on a coffee table or a string of warm-toned fairy lights draped over a shelf, these little details make a huge difference in setting a cozy springtime mood. By thoughtfully layering light sources, you'll create a space that feels both refreshing and intimate, perfect for enjoying the longer spring days. Scandinavian spring decor is all about embracing light, simplicity, and natural beauty to create a home that feels fresh, inviting, and effortlessly stylish. By making small but intentional changes, like updating your color palette, incorporating organic materials, decluttering your space, and layering in cozy yet minimal accessories, you can completely transform your home into a seasonal sanctuary. Remember, the essence of Scandinavian design is not about perfection, but about creating a space that feels warm, balanced, and functional. It's about making room for what truly matters: peace, comfort, and a deep connection to nature. Whether you're refreshing your entire home or just updating a few key elements, these tips will help you achieve a harmonious, spring-ready space. Are you ready to bring the beauty of Scandinavian spring into your home? Let us know in the comments which idea you're most excited to try. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more home design inspiration. We love sharing ideas that make your space more beautiful and functional, so stay tuned for more expert tips and creative home styling advice. Happy decorating, and we'll see you in the next video.